I didn't know. What I didn't know. I owned my first Tesla. I didn't even know my car had this in there. This outlet. This Tesla charge. You can buy this Tesla pump off the Tesla website. But when it came and I seen this, I was confused because I didn't know this outlet was in the car. So let's try to find that real fast. I remember I seen it before, I just don't remember where it was at. See? The outlet is right in this compartment. Again, I've never used this before in my life. You guys can see it. I'm about to put my light off my phone. So if you're ever looking for that outlet, it's right there. This is the 2024 Tesla Model 3. I don't know about any later models, but that's the location in the 2024. Now, this back tire is at 35%. It's supposed to be at the 40. It's supposed to be at 42. Matter of fact, I'm about to go in meta view. I'm about to look at this in my meta view. I don't know why this is not showing. Okay, so now I just got through airing up all my tires. For some reason it's not showing up on my screen on my phone. It's still showing the same, but my pump actually showed me the correct pounds that I put in my tires. So, but I had my tires rotated at Discount Tires the other day. And by the way, Tesla charges, I believe, like $75 to come out and rotate your tires, which is cool if you just want to if you don't want to leave your house. But Discount Tires rotate your tires for free. I used to have Tesla come and service my tires, but $75 is, it doesn't really make sense. So I went to Discount Tires and got it for free this last time. However, they didn't reset saying my tires were serviced. So we're gonna go right there. You see that? It's saying that 5,000 miles ago was the last time my tires was serviced, but that's not true. So I'm about to reset now. It says limit hard acceleration in the first few minutes of driving to ensure vehicle calibration. I don't know why my tires ain't even showing. It says your car will automatically reboot to update. Okay, so when I started driving, that actually disappeared, and my tires actually changed too. So that actually changed. I had to actually get in the car and start driving for that to change. That was at 5,000. Now it's in less than 500 miles ago, which is true. Yep, but that ends the video. I just want to show you guys the Tesla charger. In my opinion, the Tesla charger. I don't remember how much I paid for it, so I think that I don't care what the amount was. I think it's ridiculous that the Teslas don't come with a charger. All of my Cadillacs came with a charger. I mean, an air pump, an air compressor. All my Cadillacs came with an air compressor. This is my second Tesla. Neither one of them came with an air compressor. It worked well. I mean, it did what it's supposed to. I still had my Cadillac ones I could be used though. I didn't realize that I had those. But yeah, that's it for this video. Take care.